Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to review one of the most exciting smart TVs to hit the market in 2025, the TCL 65-inch QM7K QLED 4K Smart QD Mini LED TV. Right pointing finger emoji. Before diving in, make sure to check the link in the description below to grab the best deal available today. Fire emoji. First look, sleek, sharp, and stunning. The TCL QM7K series is designed to impress from the very first glance. Its slim bezels, premium stand, and beautiful metal accents make it look high-end before you even turn it on. But trust me, once it's on, the real magic begins. Framed picture emoji, QD Mini LED plus QLED, picture perfect. TCL has combined quantum dot technology with mini LED backlighting to deliver breathtaking visuals. You get ultra deep blacks, vibrant, lifelike colors, stellar brightness even in daylight, sharp HDR highlights thanks to Dolby Vision IQ. Whether you're watching a 4K movie or streaming a show in HDR, every frame pops. Video game emoji, gamers rejoice, up to 288Hz Game Accelerator. Yes, 288Hz. That's not a typo. With the Game Accelerator mode, this TV becomes a dream for competitive and console gamers. Add to that LM, VRR, and super low input lag, and you've got a gaming monster in your living room. High volume emoji, Dolby Atmos, feel the sound. The built-in Dolby Atmos speakers deliver spatial, immersive sound that makes action movies and game soundtracks come to life. You'll feel every explosion, every whisper, every detail. Light bulb emoji, Google TV, smart and smooth. Running on Google TV, the interface is buttery smooth, well organized, and full of customization options. You can use voice control, access all your favorite apps, Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus, etc. Cast instantly from Android or iOS. Use Google Assistant or Alexa. White check mark emoji, key specs. Model, TCL 65QM7K, 2025. QD Mini LED plus QLED panel. Dolby Vision IQ plus HDR support. Dolby Atmos built-in. Native 120Hz panel with Game Accelerator up to 288Hz. Google TV interface. Voice remote included. Speech bubble emoji, final verdict. If you're looking for the perfect balance of cinematic visuals, elite gaming performance, and smart functionality, the TCL QM7K 65-inch 2025 model is one of the best bang for your buck 4K TVs out there. It competes with flagship TVs from Samsung and LG, but at a fraction of the price. Bell emoji, highly recommended for movie buffs, hardcore gamers, and smart home lovers. Right pointing finger emoji, check the best deal today through the link below.